Today's session is on linear inequality involving fraction. And under linear inequality involving fraction, we find our LCM and multiply through by the LCM. After that, you multiplying through by the LCM, when there is brackets, you remove your brackets. By removing brackets, we group our like terms and solve for the variable. I have given you 3 questions, and I'm going to use these 3 questions to illustrate linear inequality involving fraction. Question 1. We have 1 over 3 x plus 2 is greater than 1 over 4 x minus 1. So this question involves fraction, and under this we find our LCM. So the least common multiple for this is 12. So you multiply through by the LCM. So 12 times 1 over 3 x plus 2 greater than 12 times 1 over 4 x minus 1. 12 times 1 over 4 bracket x minus 1. 3 goes here 1, 3 goes here 4. 4 goes here 1, 4 goes here 3. So you see we've eliminated the fraction here. So it becomes 4x plus 2 greater than 1x minus 1. So 3 times 1. And 3 times 1 is the same as 3. So 4 times x is 4x plus 4 times 2, 8 greater than 3x minus 3. We group our like terms by moving the variable to the left hand side. So 4x minus 3x is greater than negative 3 minus 8. This one crosses, it becomes negative. So x is greater than negative 11. So once we have this, we represent it on the number line. And here is positive, here is negative. So we have 11 here and negative 11. And negative 11, they are talking of negative 11. And this should be an open circle. So greater than moves to this direction. So this is question 1. This is question 2. And our LCM is 6. You multiply through by the LCM. 1 minus half x less than or equal to 6 times 1 over 3. 3 plus x. 3 goes here 1. 3 goes here 2. So 6 times 2 we have 12. 1 minus half x less than or equal to 2, because 2 times 1 is 2. 3 plus x. Let's remove our brackets. 12 times 1 we have 12 minus 12 times half x less than or equal to 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2x. Now we are still having a fraction, so you divide it. So we have 12 minus 6 times x is 6x less than or equal to 6 plus 2x. Let us group our like terms. It becomes negative 6x minus 2x. Once this comes here, it becomes negative less than or equal to 6 minus 12. So negative 8x is less than or equal to negative 6. We divide through by the coefficient of x, which is negative 8. This will cancel this. 2 goes here 3, 2 goes here 4. So our answer is s is greater than or equal to 3 over 4. Because the coefficient of the variable is negative, the symbol will what? Change. Let's represent our answer on the number line. So here is 3 over 4. You make one of this negative. Because we are talking of 3 over 4, you bring your circle on it. Greater than or equal to should be shaded, as I said earlier. This is our greater than symbol. It moves to this direction. So this is the second question, and this is our third question. And for you to solve this question, you change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. It becomes 1 over 3x minus 1 over 4 x plus 2 is greater than 3x minus 3 times 1, 3, plus 1, 4 over 3. Because if you don't change this one to improper fraction, you cannot solve it. Now, what is our LCM? It's 12. You multiply through by the LCM. Minus 12 times 1 over 4. X plus 2. Greater than 12 times 3x. Minus 12 times 4 over 3. This is one term. This is one term. This is one term. This 2 is another term. Always, as I say, addition and subtraction are used to separate terms. So you multiply the LCM by each term. If they gave you 9 here, you should multiply this 9 2 by 12. So 3 goes here 1, 3 goes here 4. 1, 3, 1, 4. So 4 times this, we have 4x minus 3x plus 2 greater than 36x minus 16, because 4 times 4 is 16. Let us remove our bracket. 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 2, we have 6 greater than 36x minus 16. And as I say, always we add and subtract like terms. 4x minus 3x is x plus 6 is greater than 36x minus 16. Let's group our like term. It becomes x minus 36x, because this becomes negative, greater than negative 16 minus 6. So negative 35x, because 1 is here, but in maths we don't write, greater than negative 22. So we divide through by negative 35. Negative 35. This will cancel this. This will cancel this. So x is greater than 22 over 35. Let's represent our answer on the number line. So here is 22 over 35. Here is negative 22 over 35. Once you make one positive, 1 2 becomes negative. So this one, you see I said greater than, but because the coefficient of the variable is negative, the symbol will change to x is less than 22 over what? 35. So 22 over 35, this means we put our open circle on 22 over 35 and it moves to this direction. So that's our number line. So we have some trial question here. It's 2. So try and solve these questions. Thank you.